Hey everyone, in this video we're wrapping up the SpongeBob assignment and well, we're gonna basically do the easiest part, I think, and that is where we get to, well, color the edges and the faces of our SpongeBob. How we get to do that is by going into the modify panel up here in our toolbar, and when we select the modify, we're gonna slide down until we see appearance. Right. At the same time, you can once again select that little dot at the end and pin to your toolbar if you want to have that accessible easier. All right. And with that being said, we want to select appearance. Once we do that, I kind of like going to the upper corner, again, the ISO view. At the same time, we may want to go and just do certain other views today because we're going to go all the way around this thing and paint it. When I'm going to do it, I'm going to kind of make it the same way it looks in my plan as far as yellow with the red mouth and all those things. But when you're going through and doing this, feel free to be as creative as you want to. Now, when we go into appearance and modify, we get this little panel over here on the right-hand side that opens up. We start with body and components. I believe that's the overall situation here. We want to go to faces where we can select a face or drag and drop a piece into the face. Down below we have, in this design, we have the different textures we're going to have. We can load them by going down here into the fusion appearances. And then if you select one of these, whether it be wood color, whatever it may be, it will expand and open it up. Right now I've got liquid for some reason opened up. At the same time there's paint below that, but you can look through these and find different textures or applied textures that will show up on that edge. My appearances and favorites are a little bit more sophisticated, but I can talk you through those too if you ask those questions. But in this video, I'm going to stay pretty light and try to make this as quick as possible. So now in here, I'm going to go down and I'm just going to find paint. All right, so I select my paint. Underneath, it tells me, do I want to go metallic, whatever else, glossy. I'm just going to go glossy paint. And then down below, I'm going to find yellow. All right, and I'm going to click and drag that up into my appearance piece. Now, how I add these to the different pieces here, different surfaces, or faces, is I select this over here and just drop it wherever I want it to go. So that one's changed. Down here, this one's changed, and so on. All right. At the same time, if I want to go into a different color, I could bring that up into my design, and I could also do the, well, mouth red. All right. And maybe I wanted the bottom part of the mouth red be the same color. And every once in a while, it probably help to zoom in. Also use extra or different sides to get all the color or all the faces done. But that's what we're doing here in this next assignment. All right. Once we get this done, we are going to be ready for a screenshot again. I'm not going to make you watch me do the whole thing, so I'm just going to go back to my original square, my ISO. Once you've completed this, you have all of the faces changed. Remember, you can do it however kind of you want to do it. At the same time, we're going to do that screenshot again. And once again, the screenshot for me is just pressing the print screen, a long press. And then it turns my screen dark. And then I can click and drag that area that I want to select. This is going to be the submission for the second SpongeBob assignment, and we are now ready to do our last and final video where we learn how to put this, these things we've made recently into drawing, which is a different tab over here, which will allow us to kind of kick out a blueprint of this design. Thanks for watching. I hope all this is helping, and have fun coloring your SpongeBob. Have a great day.